Hello YouTube, and this is going to be daily clean of my living room video with the Seepo Felix. And I am not going to use this just like it came for the hard floor vacuuming and attachment vacuuming like dusting and so on. Now, this is not my idea. I watched one YouTube video from the USA, and that was vacuum shop video, and they had that extension hose for Dyson vacuums to use it for the attachment vacuuming. Now, Seepo hose is very short, and basically what you have to do when you are using the Seepo hose is hold the vacuum in the other hand and use the hose so it doesn't topple over. So I have this 2.5 meter long hose. There is handle what goes fit to the all my nozzles and pipes, and there is just a standard 32 millimeter pipe glued in to there. So basically what I can do is attach it straight to the Seepo hose and use this, and now I don't have to move that vacuum or hold it because this reaches very far, and this makes things much easier, and I don't have to modify anything or buy that very expensive hose, Seepo hose, so this is very handy. And for tight places where I can't get with the Seepo and hard floors, I use this. My favorite hard floor nozzle, this Twinner, and this pipe. And I am also going to use, I am a bit far away, but there is dusting brush and this upholstery tool, but I don't really need this in this video, but I am using this dusting brush. So this is more like a demonstration how you use this in normal day-to-day use. So let's see how it goes, and you will see several cuts in this video when I move the camera, so it's a bit faster, this video, and so on. So let's just start, and I take this cable off. So now it's connected, and I move camera a bit so you can see when I start the carpet vacuum. Okay, let's start. Okay, let's do some dusting with this TV table and the TV and stereo. So, dusting brush there. And hose connects to there. And I don't use full power. Okay, now those tight places where I can't get with the upright mode. So this twinner muzzle. go quickly over the carpet again because there was stuff dropping on top of the carpet. So this time handle mode or handheld mode, full power. Okay, the demonstration is over and I am very pleased again to use this. And yes, it needs that extension hose for the tight places, but not necessary for the hard floors. You can use this power yard on the hard floors, of course, but now in the demonstration purposes, Felix was always in the video when I demonstrated this. So normally I can leave it middle of the room when I do all attachment cleanings and hard floors, and just use the long hose. So it's very convenient that way. And of course it's on its best when you are using it with the power here on the carpets, and that's the main thing why I bought it. So this hose was very helpful, and it wasn't my idea. I tried to find that video and put that into the description, or how you say it, but anyway, now I got that idea from that video where the vacuum shop sold these non-stretchable hoses to the Dyson vacuums. and very nice solution because I personally hate stretch hoses. So that problem is solved. And what it comes to the overall opinion, my opinion about the Felix is that it grooms very well carpet, and it is very powerful, that overhead, and vacuum itself is very pleasing sounding. I can't fault it at all compared to the Shark and others. Well, Dyson is quite pleasing sounding also, but it doesn't perform nearly as well as the Seapo. So powerful and quiet, and high quality vacuum. And that swivel thing, I really like that. And this is quite old model now. It's at least 10 years old model. I really can't remember what was the year when they first introduced it, or when they bring this to the market. So it is genius design, and I like how compact it is, and that suction, sorry, Marco, suction selector. That's very handy because some vacuums without that suction selector or motor speed control, they have trouble in some cases, like that dusting job when the nozzle just sticks to the surface and it's screaming on full power when you don't need. So one thing is it's not bad point, but it is something what I am not used to, is when you turn this on, it takes 2 seconds about before it starts. Overhead starts right away, but vacuum motor starts with delay. So actually Electrolux vacuums Ultra series does that same thing, but it's not so low, that delay. But anyway, and cable is long in this also, and it seems to filter well. Well, I don't have very good smell, or I don't smell things very easily. So okay, now this is unedited video, my speed, so when I say something wrong, you hear it. So yes, nice vacuum, at least quality. It was a long time when I last bought quality vacuum, and yes, no cheap vacuums coming. If there is some vacuum coming, it's Seapo cylinder, probably. If I can get one cheap, there should be still on my watch list on eBay that K series, K1 straight suction cylinder, so that would be perfect team, this and that Seapo cylinder. So this video ends here, and thank you for watching, and goodbye.